Oh, sugar, those are the fairy shrimp.
Fairies? This pond is really magical.
No, not fairies, Hal, honey. Fairy shrimp.
Oh, okay, well, how did they get there? Oh, wait, don't tell me. Fairy.
Oh, no, not quite. Those are newly hatched fairy shrimp. They live their whole lives in just a few months. They hatch from eggs, grow up, and lay their own eggs all before this pond dries up so it can happen again next year.
But wait, what? Hold on. The eggs can survive even when the pond dries up? What?
You betcha, Daisy. Yeah, those eggs will hatch and start the next generation of fairy shrimp.
Hello, fairy shrimp. It's me, Hal.
Speaking of eggs.
Yes, right. The whole reason we're here. I mean, not we, it's you. That's why you're here, Fern.
Well, that is right, Nature Cat. So I just need to find a safe place here at the Vernal Pond.
Okay, we can help. Ooh, how about there?
You mean those rocks?
Sure. Why? No good?
Nature Cat, I don't need a rock. I need the pond. Actually, I need the pond water for my eggs, just like the frogs and toads. Now, we all start out as eggs in the water.
Right.
How about over there?
Oh, that looks jam dandy. Oh, this is lovely.
Ha ha ha. Standing with my back to Fern while she lays her eggs.
Well, mission accomplished. Nailed it.
Wow, they're so cool.
Oh, Fern. They look exactly like you.
They're eggs, Hal.
Yeah, I know, but still.
Excuse me, Fern, not to get too personal, but what's that clear jelly stuff covering your eggs?
Oh, that gel helps keep my eggs safe. And I like this pond, because there are no fish here. Yeah, fish like to eat eggs like these.
And just look around at all the other eggs laid here. Frog or salamander eggs, all in this little pond.
Well, thank you for giving me a lift to the pond, Nature Cat.
Nah, come on. More like thank you for showing us this brand new world.
Guys, it's starting to get dark. We should be getting back.
Say, come back in a month or so to see the baby salamanders. The cutest things you ever did see.
I already can't wait.
Fern, 'twould be an honor to return to your pond.
Okay, Pony, you ready for a rematch?
Oh, it's so on. Giddy up, Pal Biscuit.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes!
So long, Fern.
Bye, Fern. It's you.
Bye!
Now, what do you say we fast forward about a month?
Hey, guys, look! Fern's eggs are gone. And now there are tadpoles. And it looks like these tadpoles will be salamanders soon. Maybe next time we...
I just can't wait to see Fern's babies.
You think they're still cute little tadpoles?
No, I don't think so. Fern's babies should be all-out salamanders.
Oh, it's gonna be the best.
Wait, where's the pond?
Where's all the critters? It's the end of the summer. The pond dried up.
And it'll never come back?
Oh, don't worry, Hal. It'll come back next spring.
Oh, Fern, I wish I got to meet your salamander babies. Come on, guys. Nothing to see here.
Hey, Nature Cat.
Hi. Who are...
Hi, Nature Cat.
Hello to you as well.
That's Uncle Nature Cat to you.
Fern! Oh, I'm so glad I got to see you. Grown babies.
They're so cute.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
Oh, hello there, little Caroline. I'm Daisy.
I like your ears.
Aw, thank you. I like your tail.
Whoa, you're like enormous.
Yeah, I like you.
Well, now that they can survive on land, they're headed out to their new homes. But we'll all be back next spring, along with the ducks and frogs and fairy shrimp and such.
Oh, yeah, the fairy shrimp eggs are sleeping here until the pond comes back. Shh, be quiet, okay? Hush, little fairy shrimp, don't say a word. I'll sing you a song.
so great seeing y'all before we go. Thanks for everything.
Bye, Fern. Bye, bye, babies, and all of you that grow up so fast. Bye-bye.